Wadena is the second deadliest county for traffic deaths in Minnesota. According to the Department of Public Safety, people are not wearing their seatbelts enough. Itasca, Aiken, Hubbard, and Mahnomen also made the top 20 list of counties with the highest percentage of unbelted traffic deaths. The numbers come from a statewide seatbelt enforcement campaign that took place in October. During that campaign, 260 reporting agencies cited more than 10,000 motorists for belt violations. During 2008 to 2010 in Minnesota, there were 932 people killed in traffic crashes and 409 of them were not buckled up. Crow Wing County was listed as one of the counties with the lowest percentage of unbelted fatalities.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.